Neowatt Power Solutions Private Limited, Chennai. Please come onto the stage, sir.
We come from Chennai, so I thought, as we get into this program, I'd like to share that the city of Chennai has gone through, I would say, a major disaster. I think this is a kind of event that the city has not seen, probably in decades, maybe in a century. A lot of people across the city, and of course in places like Kadalur, were affected due to the heavy rains and floods. A lot of our colleagues in the industry, customers, were all impacted, and people working in the UPS and solar business. In fact, even our factory also was flooded, and likewise there were a lot of employees. We have several companies in Chennai. I think employees were affected by this event. But I think what really stood out was the human spirit of how the city has recovered. And it's quite amazing. I think not only the city, but I think we had a lot of friends from Bangalore helping the city. So I think we had to give them a big hand. We had NGOs, we had corporates, we had individuals, all working hard to make a difference. Even today, in my community, we had all people in the community cleaning up the streets because, they said we cannot afford to have any other, issues post the flood. Similarly, we've all cleaned up the factory, console is up and running. A lot of effort was put by a lot of people, and what really stood out is the human spirit. And I think this is the spirit that when I think about Dr. Sai, I think he's a person who personifies human spirit. And it's not just done for a few weeks like we saw in the flood. I think he's been doing it for 25 years. I think we need to give him a very big hand. So I think what I see in Dr. Sai, I know him only for a few years now, but I think it is his personal touch, his passion. He takes the personal effort to come and meet with each one of us, to participate in these events. And that is what makes the difference. He's a person who's exemplifying the human spirit, exemplifying what it takes to organize an event like this and keep this relationship going. Even, today relationships are difficult to go on for a few years, and here he has kept the relationship going with his industry for now 25 years. So my best wishes to Dr. Sai. We will support him. We will keep this going. So thank you, Dr. Sai.
Friends from the industry and Dr. Sai. Well, I have known Dr. Sai and Sofdisk for over a decade now. And, I always wonder, what is this connection between Sofdisk, Dr. Sai and the industry? I'm sure there is some karma connection, right? So, no other magazine I can, think of that has done so much for the UPS industry, that has interacted with everybody, each and everybody in the industry, and not just once, but for the last over 10 years now. And, as a magazine, okay, this is not a magazine published from a big house, a publishing house or a, big group like the Times of India, whatever it is. It is sheerly the dedication of one single individual. Hard work, dedication and perseverance of one single individual, and that's, I think, hats off to Dr. Sai. And I know for a fact that this is only a hobby. This is only a hobby, that is his passion. And, I have not seen anybody with so much of dedication and passion for a hobby. And, having done so much. And it's so amazing that I don't think there's any other forum where, all of us can get together like this. Yes, we probably encounter each other in tenders, and that's all. But then here, in a relaxed atmosphere for the last so many years now, we've been getting together and interacting and exchanging ideas and views. So I think we should thank Dr. Sai that he's given us this platform for all of us to come together and meet each other and know each other better. So that's something which is amazing. And I think, like Sriram said, more than anything else, forget about soft disk, forget about the UPS survey and all that. For having achieved so much, I think he's a very, very humble person. And I think that's it. I mean, he's a very, very good human being. And I think all of us have so much of respect for him. That's why I think he takes the liberty to chide us once in a while. I think we don't mind that, right? So, Dr. Sai, hats off to you, and we are always supporting you. And I'm sure everybody in the industry feels the same way. Okay, and very, very happy 10th UPS and Solar Day, all of you. Thank you.